In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your Klaviyo account ID. This is an important task if you're diving deeper into integrating services or automating processes using Klaviyo's platform. So, without further ado, let's get started. First, head over to the Klaviyo homepage. Once you're on the homepage, you'll want to look for your profile icon, which is conveniently located in the lower left corner of the screen. This little corner is your gateway to manage various settings related to your account, so it's a spot you'll get familiar with over time. Once you've located your profile icon, give it a click. This action will pull up a menu where you'll find several options, and from this menu, the option we need to select is Settings. Clicking on Settings is like opening the door to your account's control room, where you have all the essential tools at your fingertips. Within the Settings menu, what you're looking for is labeled as API keys. Now, you might be wondering why we're venturing into the realm of API keys when we're looking for an account ID. Well, that's a great question. It's because your account ID is part of the API section. It's a bit like the key to the kingdom within this area. Hence, navigating to the API keys is an integral step in this process. So, after you've clicked on API keys, you'll be presented with a screen that displays all related information, including, you guessed it, your Klaviyo account ID. This is the point where you will visibly see the number that represents your account, and you can use it as needed for your integrations or other technical purposes. And just like that, we've completed our mission today. Honestly, it's as simple as that. Once you've wrapped your head around these steps, retrieving your account ID will become a second-nature task whenever you need it. Remember, getting familiar with these processes can save you a lot of time down the road, especially when you're working on expanding your marketing capabilities. Don't hesitate to revisit this video if you need a refresher. Having these skills under your belt not only enhances your efficiency, but also equips you to handle more complex tasks in the future. Thank you for joining me today. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Until next time, happy automating!